So
This is my question.
Rally car.
Alphabet से.
Rally car.
Spelling of Funstar. FUNSTER. उससे कोई एप्टीट्यूड बता दे कि F से मुझे ये अच्छा लग रहा है. Use say some words, adjectives. Okay? And I will bring you on after. मैं पूछूंगा if it's ready. I'll bring you on. Take a selfie with the car and I'll give you a prize. दोनों चीजें होंगी. Okay? So okay.
Indian National Rally Championship 2019 winner rally.
F is for fun.
U is for undernourished.
No, it has to be stylish. Alright, so somebody over here, have you tried?
So, S is for fun, U is for uncompatible, N is for naughty, S is for sexy, T is for torky, E is for energetic, R is for boring.
Alright, what are you talking about? Donkey. Okay, donkey very much. Alright, now I'll give you an option.
Imperial Tower Road पे जाना.
भाई छोटा बच्चा को भूख लगी है तो खाना खिला दूंगी आप कैसे? Alright, by the time you take a selfie, I will also give you the prize. Next question coming up here. Alright, get your selfie. Yes. Very good. जो पुरानी गाड़ियाँ वो is nice. So instead of leaving on the road, आप देखेंगे गाड़ी selfie होती है and create pollution.
Mahindra concept car.
हम करते हैं.
Sports car.
Okay, so what we do is हम उसको बाइकोमेट करते हैं. What we do is इलेक्ट्रिकल पार्ट्स को अलग निकाल के उसमें से कॉपर निकाल लेते हैं. जो रबर पार्ट्स होते हैं उसको हम सिलेक्ट करके तो भागने के ट्रैक्स को लेके वो बनाते हैं. और तीसरी चीज है जो वेटर है उसको क्रश करके उसके मेटल पार्ट्स बनाते हैं. वेरी वेल सर, बताइए. फैंटास्टिक. आपको प्राइस मिलता है. आप सेल्फी लेते हैं. तो टेक योर फोन आउट. आप इसके साथ वीडियो सेल्फी रिकॉर्डिंग ले सकते हैं. And next, who would like to come next? आवाज आनी चाहिए. I want to hear that. Only one. So मैं चांस दूंगा किसी एक जोन में से. Over there was that. आप आइए. सर यहाँ से नहीं.
Electric motor engine है ये. Mesma 350.
Alright, well done sir. Congratulations. बेटा अपनी सेल्फी ले लो. बैटरी है ना? Alright, so first you're up close and personal with the thumbs. Alright, can I have the prize? Well, this one is for you. Congratulations. You want to look around it? You can do that. Have a look around. This is my next question. मैं यहाँ पर आपको कुछ सवाल करूँगा JBC. अगर when Funstar इसकी top speed क्या है?
Electric vehicle.
Alright, सबसे पहले 200 मुझे यहाँ बोला गया है. That is very right. 200. What questions have I asked? So come right over. 200 kilometers per hour is the top speed of the Funstar. Well done, sir. Alright, mobile निकालिए फटाफट photograph हो जाए. Remember, this is an all electric. Remember, it's an electric car. So this is the concept SUV और आपने सही बताया 200 kilometers is the top speed for this. Fantastic. अच्छा crowd की वीडियो है बहुत बढ़िया. Well done. Have a look around. I want you to look around. 200 kilometers per hour. Yeah, I'm going to ask you more questions. Get ready for this. So you want to look around? Price take out. Of course you get it. बिना लिखते हुए जाने नहीं दूँगा यार. Well, this one is for you. Alright, this is my next question. आपको मुझे बताना है this fantastic Funstar is very stylish. किसके स्टाइल में ये सूट करती है? Let me see you. किसके स्टाइल में सूट करती है? जो स्पोर्टी हो, ट्रेंडी हो, फैशनिस्टा हो, एथलीजर हो. Alright, fantastic. तो मुझे ये बताइए कि 0 to 100 मतलब 0 से 100 किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड कितने सेकंड में?
Some force good calm.
3, 4, 5 seconds is the correct answer. 5 seconds. Come right over. तो यहाँ से get your mobile out. And get your picture. 100 kilometers per hour. 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 100 ki
custom ania custom lo ven ma sa zo ka VHP 90 manual transmission 5 gear ka na niya size 2, 4, 5, 70 16 inch so in front is rear drum brake hai mươi lỗ lạc này Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon. Cái headlight này G-Wagon style anh copy ang thế entertainment system touchscreen này á then 4-wheel na ka gear knob trend này po đi yan Bighorn Bighorn custom sound tak ni suspension control về đường đây nằm đầu chứ thì lẽ break kỹ nó lắm để tính phát lắm this về this brake về ui không hen là học yang bay ki dalam mungai lo electric cái gì mo one lo học vậy Ninja 300 pound trip biển là hiện chuẩn của phong vệ mấy mấy hàng thế bay ki chú sẽ chân